Let's speak about Ford for a minute. They are launching some new off-road options. A lot of people are getting off the road, off the beaten track. I've been trying to do it. You know, I'm out there in the wilderness.
Van life?
Yeah, I'm the van life guy.
Yeah.
Well, actually, Ford, they have a van. They're going to do an electric version of it soon. It's called the Transit. And it's not as popular as the Mercedes Sprinter for the van conversion things, but it's becoming more popular now. They got an all-wheel drive version. It's not the same as four-wheel drive, but they got an all-wheel drive version. It's a little bit wider than the Sprinter, and the availability right now seems to be a little bit better if you did want to do some sort of off-road van. But yeah, with this has nothing to do with van life. This is around the Explorer SUV and possibly other models in their lineup, because they've noticed some evidence that more and more people are going off-road. More and more people are going out into the wilderness. Ford reports there's been a 56% increase in off-road use over the last 3 years for their Explorer owners. That's a huge increase. 56% increase in people attempting to go off-road. And so what they're doing here with this model, and then presumably some other models in the future, is they're offering a Timberline model. They're going to call it Timberline. And that's going to take a regular Explorer SUV and upgrade the off-road capabilities. And that would be a package that you would get on top of the vehicle, which would cost, in this case, I think it's $13,000 over the base model. And then you would have this. I presume you're going to have bigger tires. You're going to have more ground clearance. These are the things you need.
Oh, better suspension as well?
Really do.
Okay.
You're on fire today, by the way. So never mind about me getting seeing you like this at 5:47 p.m. That's been a minute, as the kids say.
Yeah.
So you actually have to explain to us what you've been getting up to. Yeah. How did you recover?
A lot of sleep.
Yeah.
It's just straight up sleep. Really basic.
You doubled up on the sleep?
Yes.
Interesting. So what time did you go to bed at? Or did you sleep in the morning?
No, I took a nap after I went home. For like 2 hours. It's not really a nap at that point.
Well, that's a huge nap. A 2-hour nap. Wow.
And then
Let me ask you something. Let me ask you.
Sure.
How do you calm down in order to get into the nap state? You arrive home. What steps do you take to like drift off into the nap?
You know what, man? Like after work, I get pretty tired. I get kind of like loopy. I just lie down and then I go to bed.
Wow.
I could if I wanted to.
Huh.
So that's what I did. And I woke up and I watched a new show. It's called Invincible on Amazon Prime.
Any good?
Great.
Whoa.
Great. Yeah.
How many episodes into it are you?
Around 5.
Oh, wow. So you are in a position to call it great. You've seen enough of it.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm invested.
There you go. You got a Willie Do pick
and then
right there.
I slept for another 12 hours.
That's like sort of a mini wild card right there.
A little
Since
bit,
you're so reluctant to do it, you can't just put a little piece in there.
Well, you gotta stay here.
No.
You can't just walk away.
Oh, you don't understand how the wild card works.
That's how it works.
Yeah, you don't understand how it works. I got to clear. Your wild card round is like a jumbo jet. It's like a 747. It needs a ton of runway to land on. It's so huge. I can't be in the way of that.
Well,
ranting and raving and taking up the air. I can't. I got to get out the way when you come with the wild card.
Well, we'll see.
Anyway, so they're going to bring that to presumably a couple different SUVs. But in the meantime, that's going to be your first one, the Explorer Timberline. Go ahead, get off road.
It's nice.